Sandringham Beach. Beautiful, beautiful night actually. As you can see, the sun's sort of starting to set and the water is very calm. And there is Simon, because we forgot the fins. And tonight we've brought our trolley because the car park's just a short walk from where we are actually at the moment. So we have brought our trolley with us so that we can navigate that easily. This is actually a dog park, so dogs can come down here too. And we might actually try and bring Tilly and Yanto with us next time we come down. So we set out on this paddle around about 4:15, 4:30 in the afternoon. So it was just before sunset. Say hello. Looking at this now, it's probably some of the nicest footage that we've ever shot. It's just the light and the shadows and the sunset playing on the water. It's just magical. We started out in the Marina, which is very sheltered, so it was very, very calm and mirror-like. But when we got out past the breakwater, the rolling waves, which still, they don't look too bad in this here, but they're actually reasonably high for us. And so Simon was fine, but I had to sit down for a brief time here because it was quite challenging. We'll get the sunset as well, darling. What's that? Yeah, we can do a loop though. We can go under. Oh, I see, yeah. So here we're looping back around to head back out again through the boats to sort of find the best spot to watch the sunset. Particularly love this footage here, which just shows how pretty it was and how calm and mirror finish the water was. Really serene. So here we head back into the marina for our last little paddle around before we wrap up the evening. You're actually leaving a wake. Yeah. What do you think? Beautiful paddle. The walk to the car park. There is a small little parking area just here, which is empty now. There's a tiny little road up there, but you will find it hard to get parking there generally. So there's the sea tug and the boards, which makes the only hassle here is carrying the shark is easy, but carrying the Aqua Marina Super Trip, which is really big board, is actually awkward, and one of us can't carry it alone unless we balance it on our heads, which is okay for short distances, but much easier on the sea tug if you have one. And we can see here the small car park area in front of the kiosk, and you will notice that if you look up this end, up here, you'll see the entrance to Jetty Road, and there is a bigger car park there and near the yacht club. So here you see the Strava of our paddle. So we did just over 3.4 kilometres in about an hour. So to sum up our visit to Sandringham Harbour, the parking does cost money. There is a fee. It's a very sheltered position, so you're likely to be able to paddle here when you can't paddle in other places nearby, like Black Rock, for example. It's a great place to bring your dogs if they like to jump on the paddleboard. There is a nice cafe here for post-paddle breakfasts, and there is public toilets. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, please press like, and don't forget to check out our other location videos in the playlist. And don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.